Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO, a platform for managing digital media like videos, audio, images, and documents on a branded portal. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the portal's Playback page. VIDIZMO offers a variety of features for media playback so you can provide high quality and an engaging media viewing experience to your audience. Click on any media file on the portal's homepage or in the media library, and you will be redirected to the media's Playback page. The Playback page is divided into 5 sections: player, transcription pane, feedback bar, comment section and related media. The VIDIZMO player allows you to bookmark media playback page, enable or disable subtitles and select video resolution from the given renditions. You can speed media playback up or down by using different speeds for forward or rewind. You can also resume media from the last watched portion and watch it in full screen or theater mode. The transcription pane at the right-hand side of the player allows you to view closed captions. You can adjust the transcript's font size, edit and download the transcript, change its language, and you can also search for a term within the transcript or navigate to a specific time by using the timed comments. You can also view AI-generated video insights which enable you to view, analyze and search hidden data within the media's audio and video content, such as faces, labels, brands, topics, keywords and sentiments. Users can engage and provide feedback on media uploaded on the portal. You can add media to your learning plan, you can like it, download it, share it on social media platforms or refer it to others via email. You can also share media with specific users and groups within the portal and can choose to give them limited access to the content by selecting a time period when you want media to be available. You can increase viewer collaboration within the portal by allowing users to comment on media. Users can also leave timestamps within a comment to direct other viewers to a specific point in the video. You can also create a digital archive by marking media as favorite. You can view favorited media from the My Media tab. You can also report media with inappropriate or offensive content. Moreover, you can also provide suggestions or ask queries regarding the uploaded media. The feedback bar also gives the option to edit media settings or embed media on external websites and platforms. From Related Media section on the right-hand side, you can navigate to media related to the one currently being played or played recently in terms of title, author name, tags, category or description. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.